Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Yes, I know I look like a mess and paint all over me and so forth, but I figure more than less I'm going to do a vlog for you. It's gonna be like a Christmas vlog, not really Christmassy, but a little my Christmas vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for you guys. And before I get into the video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Alright guys, so I am not really doing much of a painting. What I'm doing is lighting up back the place. So the paint that I have from last year, that's what I'm going to use. Alright, so I'm just going to go over the spots that I think that I need to go over. Not really this big painting, no. The only place I think that I may go a little bit different is my room. Because, alright, the place is a mess now, just know that. The wall is in red, right? And because water sometimes come from my washing machine and go there so forth, the wall get cold and then the red kind of get white, and I don't like that. So I think I'm going to change it. I'm not going to buy any paint because I don't have any money. So what I'm going to do, I'm either going to use the paint that I use in the living room and mix it with the paint that I use in the bathroom. The living room is like a peach-ish color looking, and the bathroom is pink, right? Plus I was wondering if I should use that green and mix it and to see how it would have come out and see if I can make a color and then put it in the room. Now this is not the final color that I'm going to use in the house, obviously. I'm just doing this now because, you know, your girl don't have any money, and until then, you know, let's play around with it a little bit. I really want to be more modern, as in changing the color to probably full white or probably a little grayish, ash grayish. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like that, because if I'm going to change in here gray or so forth, I would have to do the dresses and so forth, like change the colors, but I don't have any money for that, right? And I need to go over the dresses, I really do. But as I mentioned, I no money, so I'm just gonna do it when we have. I want to change the bedding and all them something there, but girl, no, I have no money. That is why you guys need to watch out my channel so that we can get monetized. Alright? So yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I already started paint in there. I'm gonna drop the clip. Now it's time for the living room.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up those feet. Jingle bells round the clock. Mixing.
So I paint in here and I paint the bathroom. I paint here. And as I said, the place is a mess. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try and mix the colors and see what color I get. Alright? I think it's not really a good color. It's best I stick to pink. It's like a little brownish color. What that? You know what, the brown would actually look good, you know, with the dress and all that. I think I'll stick to the pink. I'll just stick to the pink. There you go. I don't want to paint and then regret it later. I wonder if I should paint it on somewhere and see how it would look first and make it dry. That's what I'm gonna do. To tell you the truth, I actually like it. It looks good. It looks good. The color actually look good. So I'm still contemplating if I should do it. I don't know, like I really don't know. I really don't know. I'm just gonna wait until it dry and see how it look. Because your girl might just do it. Might just do it. Let me show you. Anyway, I don't know, but it looks good, right? But I might just stick to the pink. And I don't know why I put pink in the house because I don't even like pink, right? But I think I just need to get rid of everything in here and then start painting because I have a hair to do tomorrow, so I need to get it. I need to wash. I need to do everything. I need to dust. I need to do everything. So I'm just gonna paint, make it dry, and then see if I can throw some of this stuff in the washing machine and then go and wash. Move around the place because I'm kind of tired of the whole boring setting right now. Not really boring, but I'm tired. I'm tired of the same setting, so I'm not going to really move these two because I'm too heavy. I'm gonna move the bed, put it to that side, and just making it look good. You understand? And I also need to go to Spanish Town. I don't think I'm gonna go today because I need to get lights for the pepper tree. I need to get lights for the Christmas tree. And let me tell you why I have the Christmas tree. Because if I'm me alone, I wouldn't do it. So I joined Pixie with the kids, right? So I wanted for them to put their gifts under. So I'm just gonna light up the tree, make it festive. I'm not even going to cook on Christmas Day to show you how me not really do nothing for Christmas. But just for the kids, we have the Christmas tree. So Raldan in it, Rihanna in it, Jardina in it, the girls them over there say in it. You know, so everybody's just gonna exchange gift, make it look nice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna get rid of everything. Let me show you the before. I can't really see it that good, but this is the before. The green screen I have there, I filmed a video, so that's why it's there. Yeah, so this is the before. Dirty, the before. Yeah, that's the before. So we just want to know if you guys are like me, right? So you know, say I got the one bag of cleaning, right? So it's like a month or 2 months before put no effort into cleaning. So it's like the place is a mess because you know say you got clean it. So I just want to know if I'm in one state, so like we leave the house dirty. Not really dirty, but we don't do this bag of deep clean like change curtains or even the week before me not change my sheet and so forth because me know say you gotta change it and you gotta do this bag of cleaning. Like we wipe out the house but me don't like sweep underneath the dresser, underneath the bed or so forth. Me want to know if I'm me one still like that. Anyhow, I'm gonna get painting. Still not decided on which paint I'm going to use. I don't know. I'm gonna test it on the wall first and then figure which one I need to use. I really don't like pink. I don't like pink, but pink is what I have, so might as well. I mean, and the reason why I'm gonna really want to use the green by itself is because I don't know if I have enough, and the red is very bright, so it's gonna be hard to hide it with the green. I would have to do many coats, and no, I'll mess up the place. So I might as well use the pink. The pink is close to red, and I have enough pink or the apricot. I can mix two of them and just make one color and have like a full paint, full tin of paint. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna I changed my pants because it's not drop off on me. And no, I am not losing any weight.
I'll have a blue Christmas without you.
Like guys, I really need a white paint. Like literally, like if you even look at the wall right here, I don't know if you can see it. The fan did it. Like every time I move the fan from in here, go in there, so it mark up the wall. Plus the holding of the walls. Like every time the kids them, you know, turn on, or if I turn on the light or so forth, you know, the hand there to the wall. But I'm not pushing it. I'll do with what I have. Now push it. So I'm just gonna paint and then get back to you so you'll see the after I paint it and then after I fix up my face. Guys, all I can say is trust the process. Trust. That's all I can say is just the process. Trust it. I guess it need like 6 coating before I can actually see how it's going to look. So far, not so good, but it's getting there. It's getting there. Hey guys, no, it's the next day and the place is completely a mess. Finished paint. I wish I had a white paint to paint over the white, but we have to do with what we have, so that's it. Anyway, so today I went on the road and I got some stuff for the tree, and not really upon it. Today I was trying a thing with the light that I had around the TV. It kind of looked good, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I bought. Then we're gonna get into decorating the tree. Alright, so I got this bag, and I just wanna let you know the color theme. I really didn't know what color theme that I was gonna go with, but I saw these and I like it, and I was like, okay. And I was on a $5,000 budget. As I said, I'm cleaning. The place is a mess, so don't mind all those stuff. Anyway, I was trying to get to, you know, those cheap and clean Chinese store there. Going there, but everything done. The people didn't buy up everything, so I got these in Bashko, and this one was like, let me, oh, the receipt is in there, I think. So yes, so this one is $700. This one is $725, and this have what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So around 20 come in this. This is all red, and this is like rose gold. So I got those. I got this. I'm gonna put this on top of the tree instead of the star. I'm gonna use this instead because the star them cost tough money, and it's not like I'm gonna use it. So I'm just gonna put this on top of the tree. Plus, I don't really have anywhere to put it. I'm just gonna use this. It's gonna look good. Don't worry. So I bought this for $480. I got these looking thing, really nice. $700 for this. I got this green ribbon, just thinking, you know, just to contrast it. You know, you want a little color, so I got this. And I really don't want a bright looking color, so I got this kind of shade in green. And this one is, I think it's $400 and something dollars. Yeah, $400 for this. $400 for that. And I got these stencils, and it's for $100 and about $80. Yeah, $108 for these two. So I'm just gonna rock it and just get the trees a good dimension. I got lights. I don't think I really need it because the light is good enough. So I just got this anyway, just in case I may need it. And this is for $700. Yeah, and that's about it. So we're gonna go into decorating the tree now.
Holy infant, so tender and mild, live in heavenly peace. Live in heavenly peace. Silent
Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I just wanna show you, give me a little quick run through of the place. So this is the living room. A little brighter in the orange theme. That's the Christmas tree with gifts underneath it. This is it from this angle. This is it from this angle. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so this is the dining area, and this is what I have on the table. Now this place mat is the city of New York with the Statue of Liberty, and this is for the cups, this orange runner, I have this orange thing, this wine thing, and sanitizer, just in case. Don't mind my laptop and all those stuff. Orange chair, and yeah, that's the look of the dining area. Guys, so this is how the room looked. This is the finished product after I painted and I set it how I want it. That's the chair that I took out in the living room, and I turned my bed this way. These are the curtains that I sewed last year, and if you have not checked that video out, you need to go and check it out. So yeah, let me tell you something. I'm not going overboard with no decorating or anything. I'm just using what I have, and this is how it look. It's not the final look for Christmas, but it's like the week before, This is the bathroom. Nothing really fancy, just nothing really fancy. It's just a little vlog of how I clean and set up for the Christmas. I figure more or less and the page kind of dry anyway, so I did that, and painting and so forth. I did all of that by myself. I normally get help from Roland, but he's working, and when you have things to do, you just have to do it. So I did it, I completed it, and it took me like 3 days. Yeah, because I had to be up and down on the road anyway. So I hope you like this vlog, and please stay tuned for more. I'm gonna promise you one next week. When you get it, you get it, okay? So if you have reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Bye.